In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use draw.io diagrams in Confluence and Jira step by step, so you can visually document workflows, system designs, and processes directly inside your Atlassian tools. This is extremely useful for teams working with Jira issues or Confluence pages who want clear, visual documentation without switching platforms. We'll walk through installing draw.io, accessing it inside Jira, and embedding diagrams directly into tasks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Jira instance. This can be a company Jira or a personal workspace, as long as you have permission to install apps. Once Jira loads, make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want draw.io available. Next, look at the top navigation bar and click on the More option. From the drop-down menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section, where you can discover and manage apps for Jira and Confluence. Now, in the Marketplace search bar, type draw.io and press Enter. You'll see a list of results, but the one we're looking for is called draw.io diagrams for Jira. Click on that app to open its details page. On the app page, click the Install button. Jira will prompt you to confirm the installation and may ask for administrator approval depending on your permissions. Once installed, draw.io will be available across your Jira projects and also integrate with Confluence if enabled. After installation, go back to your Jira project and click on the team or space where you want to add a diagram. Open a project board or navigate directly to an issue where the diagram is needed. Now click on a specific task or issue. This could be a bug, story, or task where you want to visually explain something like an architecture flow, process diagram, or system dependency. Inside the issue view, click on the Actions menu, which is represented by the three dots. From the drop-down options, select Add Draw.io Diagram. This will open the Draw.io editor directly inside Jira. At this point, you can choose the type of diagram you want to create. Draw.io supports flowcharts, UML diagrams, network diagrams, and many more. Use the drag and drop tools to design your diagram exactly how you need it. Once your diagram is ready, save and embed it. The diagram will now appear directly inside the Jira issue, making it easy for teammates to view, edit, or reference without leaving Jira. The same draw.io integration can also be used inside Confluence pages, allowing you to embed diagrams into documentation, knowledge bases, and project plans for seamless collaboration across your team. And that's it. You've successfully installed and used draw.io diagrams in Jira and Confluence to improve clarity and collaboration. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Atlassian and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.